The midpoint Riemann sum to approximate this. Okay, so we're going to approximate whatever this is using the midpoint Riemann sum in 4 equal subintervals. So I'm going to draw a picture because I think that pictures really help us visualize. Okay, so from 1 to 9, we're going to have 4 equal subdivisions, subintervals. Okay, so what would that be? Let's see. Let's go. Its distance is 8. If I went 8 divided by 4, that would be 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There you have it. Okay, so each distance is, I'm going to say this is delta x. Okay, how'd you do that? I went 9 minus 1 equals 8. Okay, and then I went 8 divided by 4, and that's your subdivisions or subintervals. That means there's 4 rectangles. Okay, and so now what I want to do is, since we're using midpoint, what number is in the middle of each of these? We have a 2, we have a 4, we have a 6, and we have an 8. Okay, the 2, the 4, the 6, and the 8, they're the ones that are going to determine the height of each of the rectangles. Okay, so we have 4 rectangles, right? Right. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now remember, it's base times height, and in calculus, base times height. Is IE? Oh, it's EI. I just go off of looks. It's kind of funny. Like, that doesn't look right. The base is your delta x. Sometimes the delta x is always the same, and sometimes it's not. In our case, it's always the same. Our delta x is always the same, and then the height is found by going, well, in our case, it's x squared. Okay? So, and then in this x, inside that x, we're going to have middle number, or the middle x. Okay, so our middle x's are 2, 4, 6, and 8. So our base is the same every time. So let's go ahead and put in our base. We have 2, 2, 2. Each rectangle, we have 4 of them. And then we're going to do this. We're going to say 3 squared. Was it 3? It's 3. Oh, it's 2. Oops. 2 squared. And then 4 squared. 6 squared. And 8 squared. That's how we're going to find it. Okay, so now we get busy with it. We get 4 times 2 is 8. Oh, that one was easy. 4 squared is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. Oh man, the numbers are getting bigger. 6 to the second power is 36. 36 times 2 is 72. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm not making a mistake there. 8 times 8 is 64. Times 2 is 128. Oh man. Oh, numbers are getting big. So this is going to be 40 plus 72 plus 128. Writing extra because I don't want to make a mistake. So it's 112 plus 128. Well, we get 128, 112. I add those, I get that. I get 4, I get 2. 240. Please answer B there. Oh, shoot. I didn't have to find it all the way. Dang it! Okay, so it looks like it wasn't simplified all the way. Which one of these would be the correct one? Well, if I go back to where we were right here, I see that I can take a 2 out. If I took a 2 out, it would be 2 times 4 plus 16 plus 36 plus 64. I'm kind of mad. I hate it when I do extra work, but there's your answer.